Hi guys, welcome to Makeup Cafe. So today I have created this affordable makeup video, all this glam with quite very affordable products, and I will also mention the details of all the product price that I am using in this video. Also the products are mostly from Swiss Cosmetics, but you can easily find it online on Amazon and Nykaa. So without wasting any time, let's just move towards the tutorial. So I started with a moisturized face, and the first thing that I'm going to pick is the pore primer. So this one is priced at 500 rupees, but you can easily find it at 318 rupees on amazon.com, and this is to work on the pores. So I'm just applying it on the center of my face where I have got some pores. I also did my eyebrows behind the camera, so do that. I have used the L'Oreal Brow Artist pencil, by the way. So moving to the next step, I have this foundation, the full coverage foundation, and I took a lot because you'll need a lot when you use it. I'm using this beauty blender. You can use your own tool. So this foundation comes at only 230 rupees. You will easily find it on Amazon, though it is priced at 400, but it is available. I have checked it thoroughly. I will also mention the links in the description below so that you can also find them. So I also applied the same foundation on my under eye area as well. Now it is written that it is a full coverage, but I found it to be a very light to medium coverage foundation, so you need a lot while working with it, and you really need to blend this one. I also took it across my neck so that the color just matches. So after your base is done, you need an eyeshadow palette, and this is the 12 color eyeshadow palette, exotic eyeshadow palette in the shade Western. Now this one also comes with a brush along, and I'm starting with this chocolate brown metallic color to simply give a wash of the color. I'm showing you a close-up here. So I'm just taking a wash of the color all across my eyelid and telling you the price of this one. This one you will find it for just rupees 325 at Nykaa. Now this is not a sponsored video. I'm just telling you an affordable option that I have received. So continuing with the video, I've applied a wash of the color, and now I'm blending with an eyeshadow blending brush. So after that, I picked this caramelly brown color for the transition color to blend the already applied color on my eye. I'm just using this on my crease. So after you feel that the eyeshadow is properly blended, I took this metallic golden, the bright one, with the brush that comes along, because that tip is usually useful for these pigments only. So I'm just applying it at the center of my lid and also on my inner corners. But do make sure to just blend it properly. That's what I'm doing over here. So lastly, I used that khaki color at the end. I really like that from the third one from the corner, and I just use it on my bottom lash line. You can use any color over here. Even the chocolate brown would have done the job, but I just thought to give this a try. So with this, the shadow work is complete, and we are moving towards the liner, the showstopper of the look today, which will be our wing liner. So this one comes at rupees 200 rupees. I found it on Amazon because there's no price written at the back of this product. So for the wing liner, if you have got hooded eyes like me, simply open your eyes and draw the wing first. If you have got non-hooded eyes, go ahead and play with it. And this is the direction of the liner. So just after drawing the wing, close your eye and just fill the gap that you will see when you close your eye after drawing the wing. So you just need to connect the lines together. I also have a link to the video where you can learn how to do a wing liner, so you can follow that link for more details. So I've just connected the entire line to my inner corner of the eye. So that's how the wing liners were done, and they were not so quick the way I've shown. Okay, but I loved it. I don't know, I have developed this love for these liners. So the next thing is a blusher. So this one is the Indian red color. It is a pretty dark one, so if you get an option, get a lighter color. I'm just applying it on the apples of my cheeks, and this one is available at for rupees 250 at Nykaa. I could not find any discount on it, so this one is for 250 rupees. Okay, and the next thing is the last step of our tutorial today, which is the lipstick. So the color of this lipstick is hot nude, and you will find it for only rupees 150 on Amazon. Now this one turned into a matte after applying it. This one was a pinky nude color, and at the end I just thought to be a little bit creative and do something with the star eyeliner that I've got. They were like stamps, and I just drew a tattoo with the eyeliners. I loved how sexy they looked. So you can definitely play with such things, right? So that's how this makeup is done, and if you total the products, they will total down to 1473 rupees. So that was the affordable video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.